Hi, my brothers and sisters. Let's continue to the work of the words of the day for this Obsidian Bible reference plugin. Actually, I forgot what was live for last time, but remember what I did is to set up the trigger to let the Obsidian to trigger the VOT. Let's try again. Oh, by the way, because I made some change in the master branch, do a new release. So for this branch, I need to fetch all the latest changes and merge them in. So now this branch with new changes. So let me try to make sure dependency was updated as well. So if I remember correctly, it's VOD. It's here in the Words Editor Suggester. We have another here, model suggester. This one is for the okay, let me show you guys. This is actually for this compy Bible. If I remember correctly, was remember it's this one. Yep. So it's actually this is a model suggester. I was thinking to rename it as another name. By the way, turn off this outgoing link. I was testing this link in the master branch and I realized that they used to be called backlink, but actually the link created is not really backlink, it's outgoing link. So I changed it to outgoing link. I'm thinking retiring this to toggle because I feel it doesn't really make sense. For example, if you want something to categorize which book you are using, this tag, it makes sense. But for the link, for example, you create a link to drawn the book, but sometimes I don't feel it makes sense because when you first time to create this link, the drawn as a node, you don't know where it is stored. It is empty. Unless you fill the whole book of drawn, then it will make sense. They still have a problem here as well because in that case, in this chapter outgoing link, if you toggle them both, that even more give you more problems because drawn already, if for example you fill the whole book of drawing in your outgoing link, in this case drawn one, what's the purpose of drawn one? You already have all the content for drawn. In this case, if you fill the chapter 1 of drawing in another file, it's like so much duplication. I just don't really think it's a very good idea. But anyway, yeah, I'm thinking of retiring this two option. But if you have other opinion or other comments, feel free to leave a comment either here or in the GitHub repo. Anyway, I turn this off to make my UI simpler. And just make another try. Verse of day. So in this case, I believe in the developer mode. Yes, this will be trigger. better have a try here. John. Yep, the main function didn't break. So we have the first one is Bible API provider. Another one is both live. They are both is child class of this abstract class, which is called the base Bible API. They both need to implement two functions, which is format Bible verse build request URL. I'll just call it format. And build URL. They both have their own implementation for this. And the key function here, all the logic in the build is in the base Bible API, which is a query. So query at the same time it has a few parameters. Okay. Query requires this. So I'll just ignore this. Okay, this is enough for today. Thank you for watching.